What wyvern? What wyvern? What wyvern? What wyvern? Oh, there one. Wyvern, you get on your table. Better. So guys, welcome to another video. Today we have Blaze Ragnarok versus Tempest Wyvern. I don't think I ever did this. I don't know, maybe. So yeah, let's do it. At least a 1v1 battle like this. Ragnarok. Let's go. No work mods. No mods at all. So yeah. Curd, straight out the box. Colored. Hashtag twins, but Rock the War won that with a burst. Right? Yeah. I mean, Rock the War won that with a burst. Dear God, I am not okay. Okay. Wyvern is not like launchers. Come here, Wyvern. I got him. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. That's why I didn't launch, people. Gotta learn sometimes. Just gotta learn. Okay, let's go. Now bear with me, I only have one race in winter right now because the other one got left from my friends around my house. I gotta wait till he returns. Why can't I go get it myself? I don't know. He don't know where he had it, so. And I don't feel like going back, so yeah. Alright, Wyvern with a burst finish. This time 2-2. We're gonna go by 5. Go to 5. Then we go take off the frame of Wyvern and Rock the World. 2-2. Let's go. Big hit. This shield crash. It works. So it's 4-2-0. Or, I mean, 2. So it's 2-0. 2 love. I'm just kidding. No, it's not. It's, I don't know what it's the same. Oh, that was a good counter attack. And burst finish. So it's 2-2. So whoever gets another burst wins. And if it's a double burst, it's just a double burst. Tiebreaker, Thomas Brown. Ooh. Bow. So Blaze is on a roll. Alright, so Blaze won that. Since Blaze won that, I'm gonna take off the screen. Why? It's an anime thing, that's why. Taking off the frame is an anime thing, if you didn't know. So, yeah, in the anime, they took off their frames to get lighter. Wyvern's would be coolest, to be honest. Him taking off the frame was the coolest, to be honest. They just gave him more speed. Or gave the Beyblade more speed, that's all. But was that a double burst? I looked at the camera. I looked at that burst. I couldn't tell. So I'm gonna count that as a double burst. Whoa, chill out. First and 3 points, how about that? No contact was made, so no points. Self knockout. Okay. Yeah, if a bay get hit, like at the start, just tap, and then it's a fail that counts. Not fair, but I mean, they showed to get out, right? They didn't get knocked out on purpose. Wow. 2 points to Rock the War. So, yeah. Dear God. Oh. Gonna wind up and... Oh. Okay. So clearly Rockwood just won. So we're gonna take off the wyvern frame, put on Rock the Wars, then next we're gonna take off both of the ears. Why is it okay? I'm like, why is it so difficult to put them on? Did the special moves just work? Like, what? Okay. Respect the elders, even though he's not an elder. But respect the right. Respect the rich boy. If you don't give me respect, don't give me respect. Bro, that's sad. That's sad. Tempest should crash. And then it bursts it right away last time. So let's try to get it again. Special move. Tempest Seal Crash. Ultra Seal Crash. Whatever it's called. Go. Ultra Seal Crash. It worked. So that's 4 points. So it basically won. Basically, I almost ended the recording. Alright, so this time we're gonna take off both of the ears. Both of the frames. So yeah. See, no frames. Zone. Hey, no frames, zone. That almost hit my foot. I don't know what's Rock the War zone. Yeah, I forgot. Wait, who bursted first? I was too focused on the special move. I forgot who bursted first. Alright. Right, Ron? Oh. Maybe that was a snipe, but I don't care. Okay. The shell crash. Rock the War zone. I'm gonna do that. What is it called? Blaze? Rock the War? Or Berserk? Rock the War zone. And stamina launch. They need to make grips for the Pro Series launchers. Hey, yo, hit me up. Oh. Hit me up, however, I'll give you a good idea. Make grips for the Pro Series launcher, bruh. Yes, sir. Alright, Tempest Shield Crash. Alright, Rock the War zone. Oh, just stamina launch. Oh. Okay. Ultra stamina launch. Let's go. Tempest Shield Crash. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Again, he went berserk. He went berserk. Okay. Who is berserk? What? Couldn't call it Blaze. Ragnarok. It's, well, what is it called? Blaze and Berserk. Yeah, why they couldn't call it Blaze, bro? Why? Kiki? Yeah. Okay. Let's go again. Oh, she's stamina launch. I dropped it on the board. That hurt. That Flugo driver, jeez. Big hits. Big boy. Oh, that was right run. Okay. I don't know who won more. I'm gonna say it's a tie between these two. Yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I guess next video coming soon. Peace out.